welcome to our YouTube channel Vivekanand Academy of Human Excellence. Today you are going to learn a new story from 2nd Standard English book. And what is the name of the story? The name of the story is The Grasshopper and the Ant. In EVS or in science, we learn about animals, we learn about insects. Is it right? Yes. So now, grasshopper means what and ant means what? See on your screen, this is the first picture. This picture is grasshopper. It is about the grasshopper. Can you see this grasshopper which is green in the color? Yes. Now, the second picture, it is here. This is the picture of an ant. A-N-T, ant. This is in red color. Is this correct? Okay. So today this story is about these two characters, about ant and about grasshopper. What happened between them? We are going to learn it here, but after reading the first part of the story.
Lesson number 7. The Grasshopper and the Ant. Once there lived a lazy grasshopper. He didn't like to work. All day long, he just only sang songs and played in the warm sunshine. Hee hee, look at me, I'm so happy as I can. The grasshopper laughed louder, and the ants as they worked day and night. We are storing food for the long winter that is going to come, they replied. The lazy grasshopper only laughed louder. Summer ended and the cold winter arrived. The wind blew strong and it started snow. The grasshopper began to worry. There is no food to eat, no grass, no flower or leaves. It's seen even the tiniest worm. What will I do? He cried. Let me ask my kind neighbor's aunt. The grasshopper remembered how the aunt had stored away food for the winter. He knocked at the door. Dear aunt, I am hungry and cold. I have nothing to eat. Please, can you give me some food? The aunt shook in anger. Lazy one, what were you doing in summer? You were only singing and dancing? You should have thought of the cold winter month and were going to come. Go away. She shut her door. The lazy grasshopper was hungry and sad. However, let me share a secret with you. The aunt felt that she had been very rude and harsh with the grasshopper. So after some time, she called him in and gave him some food. The grasshopper then promised to work hard and never be lazy.
So now this is a story about these two characters, the grasshopper and the ant. What happened between them that we are going to learn here in the first part. So once there was a lazy grasshopper. Lazy means what? This word is here with a meaning. See this word, the spelling of lazy is L-A-Z-Y. What this means? Unwillingly to do the work. Who are always saying, if any person is there around you, who are always saying that no, I don't want to do the work. I don't like this. I don't want to go there. I don't want to do this. So we call them lazy person, right? Is anyone there around you or in your house whom you are calling lazy? Yes, right? So lazy means a person who is unwillingly to do the work, means who is not interested to do the work or to take part in that work or to take in that activity, right? That we call lazy. So this grasshopper was very lazy. Now what happened? One day he just only, this is summer season. Summer means hot days. This is your favorite season maybe. Yeah, you know why you love this summer season? Yeah, I know that reason. You are going to another village to visit another place, right? You are getting 1.5 month holiday. You you are going for a summer vacation. Yes, on in hot days now, mostly that school they closed their academic year, and you are going for summer vacation. So you are enjoying your days, summer days there with your favorite one. So in a summer season, we are going on a holiday. That is okay because we worked remaining all days or all the months. And on summer vacation, you are going for a holidays. But this is correct about animals or about insect? No, about ants. Ants are the best example that how to do the work, and for the discipline we are using their name to set one example. Ants work day and night. Yeah, ants are really very hardworking. Have you seen anyone lying? How with a full of discipline they are walking in a straight line. They never break their line. Or day and night they are just only working. They are carrying their food. In this story also, ants they were carrying their food. That time this lazy grasshopper. In full summer, in hot days, he just only like to play and like to sing the songs. That's it. In whole summer, just only love to sing songs and to dance in that warm sunshine. When he saw, these ants are working throughout the day, means day and night also. This ant continuously working. Now, if you just imagine, if you are in place of that grasshopper, you will feel ashamed or you will start to laugh. Yes? Yes, you will feel ashamed that you are just only sitting like a lazy person and someone is doing hard work in front of you. You will feel ashamed on yourself. Is it correct? But this grasshopper, he don't know. He just only love to sing songs and love to just only dance in warm sunshine. When he saw these ants working day and night, he started to laugh on them, and he laughed louder. He said, "See, I am very happy, and I am enjoying my life. I love to sing a song, so I am singing. I love to dance, and I am dancing. See, I am the happiest person. I am enjoying my life. You are working day and night," and he just only laughed louder. But ants looked at him and said, "I know you are singing songs and you are dancing, but we are storing this food for the long winter." Means in a winter means in cold days, that season we call winter. So ant said, we are collecting this food for winter season. And then also he just said, I'm just only enjoying my life, you are working. But after some days, that winter season arrived. Arrived means what? See, this word is here. A-R-R-I-V-E. Arrived. Now, winter season start. Cold winds start to blow, and then snow started falling. Right? Then grasshopper, now he began to worry. Begin means B-E-G-A-N. Begin it means done, and worry W-O-R-R-Y to be trouble. Now in a winter season, that time he understood that. He said, "Arey, here is no grass, cold wind is blue, and no grass is here, no any flower, and nothing is here, not even the small tiniest fly worm." Tiny is small, okay? And worm means an earthworm. Earthworm means that. If you try to take out peas from that, so sometimes worms come out. Yeah. And grasshopper, they love to eat grass, otherwise flower, leaves and worms. But that time he understood that, this is so cold and nothing is here, no flower, no grass, no leaves, and not even one tiniest fly. How can I survive here? I need someone's help, And then he just remember about neighbors. Neighbors means what? Person who is living next to your house. them we call your neighbors, right? So that time he said, hey, remember, oh, I know my neighbors are very kind. Kind means K-I-N-D, kind. What is mean by that? Yes, the person who is always ready to help others, them we call kind, right? So he said, I know my neighbors are very kind. They are very helpful. They will help me. Now I am not having food. I am feeling so hungry. But I know that definitely they will help me, and they will help me to come out from this problem. They will serve me some food in front of me because I am hungry. When the grasshoppers start to feel cold feet and when he start to feel hungry means that when we feel that I need a food to eat, we desperately waiting for food. So that feeling we call hungry. And he said, oh, now I'm too hungry. Here is no flowers, no grass, no leaves, or no even the tiniest small flower. Now what I do? And then he remembered. He said, oh, I know. My neighbors are ants, right? And ant is living there. So I know ants store food for long winter. I know that they store means what? S-T-O-R-E. It means to collect. So he remembered. Remember means you recall from one's memory. He remembered. He said, yes, I know. Ant store food. And I know that ants are very kind. Now my neighbors are very kind, very helpful. Neighbor means she just started living in next to my house. I know they are very kind and they will help me. So in that world, we just only go there, and he stood against that door and he started knocking on the door. Tuck, 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 tuck. Knocking means K-N-O-C-K. Knock, it means a sound which someone's make on the door. So the person who is inside of the house, this is sign for that person to understand that someone is waiting outside, right? That we call knock. So he just really start knocking. Tuck, 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 tuck. Then who is living there in that house? Yes, ants. An ant living there now in that house. So she just really opened the door and she said, oh, what? He said, please, I'm feeling so cold and so hungry. I want food. I need food now, and it is so cold outside. I'm feeling cold and very hungry. Please, if you are having some food, please give some food to me. Please. This is my request. I'm feeling so hungry. So please give me now some food. I know that you store the food. Please give me. Then aunt get angry and said, you lazy one means you lazy person. We had working there in a summer. We were collecting the food, right, for winter. But what you done there in the summer days? You just only sing songs. You just only dance. That's it. Why you not think for this? Why you not think for a long winter? Huh? What you was doing that time? And just she was so angry. She just only shut the door. Shut means she just only closed the door. So this why this happened? Because that grasshopper, he became lazy and he not store the food for winter, right? Because of that only this ant get angry on him. But this is the end of the story. But this is not the full end of the story. Shall I tell you one secret? Secret means, I'll tell you, wait. Secret means knowledge that is hidden, which we not share with anyone. Means if we share, hidden news with someone, so that we call secret, right? So shall I tell you one secret? Yes, wait. So what happened actually in the story? I teach you the story, right? But what happened in class? They not mentioned there. They after that and feel that I had been very harsh with grasshopper. Harsh means very rough or the rude. She said that maybe that was my wrong decision and I had been very rude and I had been very harsh with that grasshopper. I need to help him. And again she called that grasshopper at home and she served some food. So this is the aim. But you know what happened? In last part of the story, Grasshopper understood that and he just only promised Ant. Promise, yes, he promised Ant and he said, I'll never be a lazy now. Means I'll never show laziness for any work and I'll complete my work on a time. I'll do my work on a time. I'll never waste my valuable time for the stupid reasons. So this is the end of the story. Right? We will take one look over the new words here now. And remember, it means to recall from one's memory. Store, it means to collect. Knock, a sound which someone makes on the door. Hungry, it means feeling need of food. Shut, close. Secret, it means knowledge that is hidden. And harsh, it means rough. So this is the story